Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Digit decides how much to save. Now, Digit uses smart algorithms to analyze your income, your spending patterns, and upcoming bills. It looks at your bank balance and spending habits to find safe amounts to transfer into your Digit savings without affecting your daily expense. If you have a higher income or fewer expenses, Digit will save more. If your spending is high or you have upcoming bills, it saves less or pauses transfers to keep your finances balanced. This adaptive system makes sure that your savings grow steadily without causing overdraft or financial stress. And that's how Digit intelligently decides how much money to save for you every day or every week. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And please make sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.